that power, you will receive the compassionate blessings of the deity, and in an instant you may attain liberation. So pure perception is the most important point here. When we experience great difficulty and we cultivate pure view, the results will be inconceivable. So then in the text it is that we receive in our lifetime the ripening empowerment. When we receive the ripening empowerment, that which is not matured will mature. That which is not matured is the mind stream. We have not recognized that our aggregates and sources and elements are pure on the very ground. And how we mature our mind stream is through bodhicitta, habituating bodhicitta over and over again. So all of us have received many ripening empowerments. What we need to keep in mind is the cultivation of bodhicitta again and again. And then we receive the liberating instructions. You all have received many instructions from different gurus. When you hear these instructions, then you can also pass on, for example, an introduction into karma to those who have never received an instruction. Also, the results of that are inconceivable. So what is the fruition of the ripening empowerment and the liberating instructions? It is that we perfectly observe the samaya. They both come down to the observance of the precept, the samaya, that we also mentioned yesterday. The samaya will have two meanings, and first is that we are taking a commitment, we are speaking words of commitment, saying that from this day onward I shall never forsake bodhicitta, even at peril to my own life. We accept that from the presence of all the Buddhas. And then secondly, we take the commitment not to give up bodhicitta, to understand that all beings have Buddha nature, are the Buddhas. If we never give up bodhicitta, then naturally the afflictive emotions and all the seeds of non-virtue will be burned away. Therefore it is said, practice bodhicitta, never forsake bodhicitta, and practice patience, even at peril to your life. That will burn away, clear away the thoughts of hatred. So that samaya is extremely important. If you keep this samaya, the fruition will be certainly attained. You will achieve the state of the Buddha's three kayas. So the samaya is essential. And so then it says here that if you are regarding the transference of consciousness, if we have not habituated the transference of consciousness. So first, according to the view of secret mantra, we perceive everything that appears, the entire universe to be a pure land, all the sounds to be mantra, and thoughts to be primordial awareness. When we practice the Vajrayana, if we keep this in mind and we can perceive things in this way, then also in the Pardo we can transform the place into a pure land, because it is naturally established within our mind stream. Whatever appears to us externally is just a reflection or a projection of our own thoughts of virtue or non-virtue. So if we understand that, then we understand the nature of the mind, which is a union of emptiness and compassion. It is important to familiarize oneself with this union and to observe the samaya. And then it is said, if one has habituated poa throughout one's lifetime, one will find liberation also in that state.